That's me. Today's project features a tray mold by Resin. Hi everyone, welcome back, or if this is your first time, welcome. Come on in, pull up your chair, and sit across the table from me. I have a fun idea that I want to try and do today. Are you up for it? Are you ready? I'm ready. I hope you're ready. I hope you're doing well, by the way. Okay, let's just get into this tray right here. I love this tray. It's by Resin. I'll link it in the description box below. Now, let me tell you what I want to do. I want to create a really cool tray using dried food products like dried lima beans, maybe a little bit of dried corn, maybe some elbow noodles, possibly some kidney beans, red pepper, crushed red pepper flakes. Maybe? Okay, so I went ahead and put my fancy blue gloves on. I poured about 6 ounces of clear cast epoxy resin into my cup, 1-to-1 ratio, parts A and B. And now I'm just mixing it thoroughly, getting rid of all those streaks, scraping my sides, scraping the bottom to get it evenly mixed as possible. Alright, let's go into a little fast forward right about now. Alright, now that this is mixed up to the best of my ability, I'm going to squirt some high-grade alcohol right into my mold to prevent any bubbles. And I'm going to pour. Now I'm just going to sit, let it rest for a little bit. Then we're going to start creating a really cool pattern, fingers crossed, yes, into our tray mold with the dried food products. Yeah, that's what I want to do. A really interesting pattern. Nothing, like that. That. Who knows? Let's wait and see, okay? I'll put you on a little bit of a pause and give it about 45 minutes to kind of get a little tacky, and then we'll get to the designing of it all. Alright, hold on, see you in a little bit. Okay, so here we are. I checked it out. It seems to have gotten to the consistency that I want to, and so I'm ready to get started placing our little dry foods in there. Hope you're ready, because here we go. Are. Okay, just a second for you and the next day for me, but this is ready to be poured with my resin for the final layer. I've already mixed it up, and so here we go. Hey everybody, we are back. And I say that like it's been a while, because for me it has been a while. I had to do it. ASMR. Yes, let's see what it looks like. Alright, that was a little too far. I'm okay. Here we go. Okay, I've got some overage. Wow. Okay, what's this? Well, I can't help that. That was on the beans. But other than that, with little air pockets, but oh, it turned out really, where do I put this? Really cool. Sorry, my workstation is just full. Okay, now let me grab my deburring tool. If it was a snake, it had jumped up and bit me already. Okay, let's get some of this overage off here. Okay, let's finish this beautiful piece up. It's not perfect, but I'm not a machine, and to me, it's still beautiful. It is as good as it's gonna get. It turned out nice. So look, I'm gonna take a few of these little rubber stoppers, quickly flip this over. That just prevents it from scratching any furniture or countertops. Now this is a really cool piece because you could put it on for Thanksgiving or display. You can put anything you want when you're doing a tray like this. For me, you know, I was debating. I'm going to go ahead and Christmas this one up. You ready? Okay, here we go.
Golden threads in motion weave, stories rise as shadows leave, every breath a step untold, pages turn in shades of gold, a rhythm carved in light, moving.
There we go. Thank you for joining me today. I really, really do appreciate it. I hope you had fun watching me put this together. This is a great conversation piece if you're having guests over for Thanksgiving, a Christmas party, or any time of the year. So I'm glad you were here with me today. Hopefully you can try this out. All you have to do is grab a tray mold. There's so many different styles out there, but just do whatever your creative mind wants you to do. I mean, the resin world is yours, baby. Okay, stay tuned for some pictures. I'm also going to change this out, and hopefully I can inspire you by just showing you different ways that this portion can be decorated. All right, thanks for joining me today. Bye.
Joyful every beat, dancing to a cheerful beat.